Hey guys! Today we will learn to recover a deleted YouTube video. This method is updated and still works in 2026. Let's dive right in. First of all, go to YouTube and click on your profile icon. Now click on Settings. Scroll down till you see Send Feedback. Click on Send Feedback. Click on Get Started. Now you can explain the issue you're having and click on Send. Now click on Continue, and then Yes. Now your video will be recovered and you will be notified through your Gmail. That's it! Hope that your video is recovered. If it did, then tell me in comments section. If you're having any problems, you can ask through comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if it helped you out.